How I automate my entire workday with 3 AI tools. If your workday feels like it's 30% doing the work and 70% juggling the work, this video is for you. Because the biggest productivity lie is that you need more discipline. Most people don't. They need fewer manual steps. Today, I'm going to show you how I automate an entire workday using just 3 AI tools. Not theory, not hype. A practical setup you can copy. By the end, you'll have a simple pipeline for 1. Capturing tasks and notes automatically. 2. Turning messy inputs into clear next actions. And 3. Producing emails, docs, and content faster without sounding like a robot. Let's build it. Section 1. The 3-tool rule and why it works. Here's the rule. The fastest system is the one you actually use. When people try to automate their workday, they usually build a Frankenstein stack. 10 apps, 20 automations, and a setup so fragile that one login change breaks everything. The goal isn't maximum automation. It's minimum manual work. So we're using 3 categories of tools. Tool 1, an AI voice for fast drafting. Tool 2, a single home base for organizing and decision-making. Tool 3, a workflow layer for automatic handoffs. And yes, you can do this without paying for 10 subscriptions. The exact 3 tools I'm using in this setup: 11 Labs for voice and narration-style drafting, Notion AI as the brain where everything lands and gets organized, Zapier-style automations to connect the pieces. We'll keep this practical. Section 2, the morning setup. Turn chaos into a single priority list. My day starts with the same problem everyone has: email, messages, meetings, and a bunch of half-formed tasks. The automation goal is simple. Every input goes to one place, then gets turned into clear actions. Step 1, capture everything automatically. Here's what I capture: starred emails, Slack messages I save, meeting notes, random ideas, tasks I say out loud. And everything goes into one Notion database called Inbox. The key is, it's not a to-do list, it's a processing queue. Step 2, use automation to feed the inbox. This is where Zapier comes in. Even if you don't consider yourself technical, this is drag and drop. Core automations. When I star an email in Gmail, create a new inbox item in Notion. When I save a Slack message, create a new inbox item. When a calendar event ends, create an inbox item with the meeting title and attendees. Now the big unlock. I don't manually copy anything. I just mark the things that matter. If you only build one automation from this video, make it the starred email to inbox flow. Section 3. The 10-minute daily AI Clarify routine. Capturing is easy. The real productivity comes from clarification. Every day, I do a 10-minute pass through the inbox, but I don't do it alone. I use Notion AI to turn raw input into a category, a next action, a due date suggestion, and a short summary. Here's the Notion AI prompt I use inside the database item. Take the text below and output 1. A one-sentence summary. 2. The next action as a verb-first task. 3. A suggested category: admin, client, team, or deep work. 4. A suggested priority: high, medium, or low. 5. Any questions I need answered before I can complete it. This sounds small, but it removes the biggest time waster: thinking about what to do. Because most tasks aren't hard, they're vague. Example: raw input: follow up with Sam about proposal. Output: summary: follow up with Sam on the proposal status. Next action: email Sam asking for feedback and next steps. Questions: which proposal version, any deadline. Now it's actionable.
Section 4. The voice draft method. Write 3 times faster without burning out. Here's the part most people skip. Your brain is faster than your fingers. So instead of writing from scratch, I draft by speaking. I'll take a task, like a client email, a project update, or a YouTube outline, and I talk it out for 60 seconds. Messy is fine. Then I turn that into a clean draft. This is where an AI voice tool can help you produce consistent voiceovers, scripts, or narration quickly. If you want an AI voice for narration, check out 11 Labs. But even if you don't use a voice tool, the workflow is the same. Speak your thoughts, convert to text, let AI rewrite it into your tone. Inside Notion, I paste the rough transcript, then use a rewrite prompt. Rewrite this as a clear, professional message. Keep it concise. Use a friendly, direct tone. Preserve any specific details and requests. Do not add made-up information. Now I can produce a clean email in 90 seconds, a meeting recap in 2 minutes, and a client update that sounds like me. This is the difference between AI writes for me and AI cleans up what I already know. Section 5. The Midday Reset. Automate status updates and follow-ups. Most workdays go off the rails at midday. You finish one thing, then you get pulled into 5 more. So I use a 5-minute midday reset. Automation goal: turn your work in progress into simple, visible status. Here's a Notion database called Projects. Each project has an owner, a status, a next milestone, and a last updated field. Now the automation. When I complete a task in my inbox database, it links to a project, updates the last updated, and can send a quick summary to Slack or email. You can do this with Zapier or similar. Trigger: Notion item status changes to done. Action: send a Slack message to your team channel. Update: project name. Completed task. Next action. This is underrated because the biggest hidden time cost in business is status checking. If your team is constantly asking, "Where are we on this?" that's a workflow problem, not a communication problem. Section 6. The Afternoon Deep Work Block. AI as a focus shield. In the afternoon, I protect one deep work block. Here's the automation trick. I don't rely on willpower. I rely on defaults. During deep work, notifications off, one project open, one task list visible. And Notion AI helps by turning big tasks into smaller steps. Prompt: break this task into the smallest possible steps. Each step should take 5 to 20 minutes. Output as a checklist. So, prepare quarterly client report becomes pull KPI export, summarize changes, draft insights, add charts, write recommendations, send to client. Now you're not staring at a mountain, you're walking upstairs. Section 7. The Evening Wrap. Auto-generate tomorrow's plan. This is the final piece. If you end your day without a plan, tomorrow starts with panic. So I 4:30 or 5i, run a 7-minute wrap. Automation goal: generate tomorrow's plan based on what actually happened today. Here's the process. 1. Mark completed tasks in Notion. 2. Add any loose notes into the inbox. 3. Run an AI summary for the day. Notion AI prompt: summarize today's completed work in 5 bullets. Then list the top 3 priorities for tomorrow based on deadlines, impact, and what's already in progress. Keep it realistic. Now I wake up with a short win list and a clear plan. That's the real automation advantage. Not doing more, doing less decision-making. Section 8. The exact 3 automations to start with. If you're overwhelmed, start with these 3.
Automation 1. Starred email to Notion inbox. Trigger: star email. Action: create inbox item with subject, body snippet, and sender. Automation 2. Calendar meeting end to meeting notes capture. Trigger: event ends. Action: create inbox item with event title and attendees. Automation 3. Notion task done to status update. Trigger: inbox item status becomes done. Action: send message to Slack or email with summary and next step. These 3 will save you hours every week.